Lex with Thrifty Hodgepodge. Today I'm going to be doing my July budget for 2018. I picked out 3 washi. I have this one that has little fireworks on it, little gold detail, white and red fireworks with the gold. This little red strip. And this one that has stars and stripes, Liberty, Land of the Free. So, since it's July, that's our Independence Month, I'm going to do the budget in those colors. Now, if you would like to go strictly to the numbers, I will leave that linked in the description down below. You can click on the blue hyperlink. It'll jump you right to where I'm putting the numbers in for this budget if you don't want to see me decorate it. Also, in the description, I'm going to include the reason why I do this way, how the budget is set up, the yada 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 stuff. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with this bigger washi. As you can see, it's much bigger than this one, and it's even bigger than this one, just slightly. So I'll lay this across the top like I normally do. I've already got bills, what I expected, actual, and income, and now I'm going to start listing the bills. So, as always, I'm going to start with my mortgage, co-op, car insurance, Wi-Fi, cell phone, my gym, Netflix, Hulu, fuel, and last month I added 2 new categories, mom and online. That's for any online purchases like Amazon, or if I want to order makeup online for Ulta, Sephora, or if I need to order a part online, whatever it is I need. And let's see, this month I do have some new categories that are coming up. I'm going to need an oil change, so I'm going to add that in. I could have technically thrown that into fuel, but I definitely want to separate that out. Besides oil change, my co-op payment is actually due, so I've already got co-op up here, so I'm going to leave that alone. And the other thing that I have are pet meds this month. Okay, next up, let's do credit cards. So I've got credit card 1, credit card 2. Those are my debts. Now to credit card 1, credit card 2 are my cash envelopes. And in case you didn't know, I combine all my cash envelopes together into one envelope. I do the Jordan Page cash envelope system, which I'm not even using the envelope. I just get all my money for the week, stick it in there, and that's what I have. And I pay myself weekly on either Saturday or Sunday night. I go to the ATM, draw out my money, done. So far, it's been working for me. Been doing it for this time all of June, and I think I did for May and June. Can't remember, but I think I've done it 2 months now, and it's working for me. So, in that amount, and this falls under groceries, household other. This also includes like eating out, if I want to buy new clothing, anything I can walk into the store and pay cash for, that's what that is. Keeps it simple. And if you're interested in hearing more about my cash envelope system that I use to store in Pages, I'll link it up here in the iCard for you. I have 2 videos on it. The first one is where I was looking into it, and the second one's actually the review. So I'll link those both up there for you. I think I'm going to use these gold boxes. This is from the Happy Planner 594 colorful boxes sticker set. I thought we'd do gold. Double check. Everything else in here is like pastel, so we'll do the gold since there's little gold accents on here. So we'll lay down those stickers and be right back with you. So this is what it looks like so far. Got my stickers on. I've moved some of the washi tape around. Hopefully you can see that well. Okay, my mortgage is still $494.87. The co-op payment I have to pay this month, it's every 6 months, and it's due, so it's $180. My car insurance is the same at $62.98. My Wi-Fi, $89.69. Cell phone, the Virgin Mobile, is still $43.80. Gym is $29.99. Netflix is $10.99. Hulu is $7.99. Fuel, I'm going to keep it at $150. Mom, I'm going to keep that at $25. Just in case she needs anything. And my online, I'm going to keep it at $50. Just in case something comes up. Rather be safe than sorry and not have it budgeted. Okay, oil change. I think it's less than this, but again, I want to err on the side of caution. I'm going to estimate $80 because it is a synthetic oil change. I have a very old 2005 Toyota Matrix with over 200,000 miles on it. Trying to get to 300,000. Pet meds. This one I got to add up. My oldest dog has just turned 15, or he will on July 1st, and he is, well, he has arthritis, so we've had to add arthritis medicine to his eye drops. His eye drops are $44, and that happens about every 2 months. And then the arthritis medicine is every month. 30-day supply is $110, Plus, I have to buy the flea and heartworm medication for the 3 dogs for about like 4 times a year. So it costs me about $170. So that means $324 is going towards pet meds this month. All right. Now credit card 1 and 2. Again, I am only paying the balances on these, even though I'm in baby step 2. I have a sinking fund that I have to save up for. It is for a tub at the other house. The tub has cracks in it, and I have to get the whole thing replaced. Worst case scenario is $4,100 is what they estimated me, which is better than what the other guy priced. They gave me an estimate of $5,600, so I'm saving up $4,100 for the tub, and that's going into a sinking fund. So with that being said, the credit cards are just getting the minimums paid. Right now, credit card 1, I think last month I estimated $157. I think it was more than that. It was in the 160. So I'm just going to put 165 for this to be safe. And then credit card 2, I'm going to estimate about $315. Because again, that APR gets you whenever you start doing the numbers there. And my cash envelope system, actually, I'm going to pull out of the 682 budget from the Happy Planner. They've got these little cute little cash payday stickers. I thought I'd use one. Why not? It's my budget. If it makes me happy, it makes me want to look at it, stick with it, and see do it. So I'm going to put this. More money, more money. There we go. The cash envelope system. And right now I'm keeping it at $800 a month, which you're like, that's so expensive for groceries. Oh my God, you're doing it wrong. Well, it's for groceries, household, and others. So that's my dining out. That is if I need clothing, if I, groceries, if I need to buy anything that I can go in the store and pay cash for, that's what that falls under. And it works out to $160 every week that I pay myself. And I'm actually saving money by doing that. If you're interested, again, it's on my iCard. Check out those videos that explain it, especially the second video I made will explain how I'm saving even more money. So if you're interested, check that out. So, and that is going to be $800. And plus, I also have a different way of eating. I do keto, which means I eat mostly meat and vegetables. So that could be expensive. So 800. So we're going to know that's supposed to be, or expected is going to be $800 here. It's out of our credit cards. So 165 plus 315. Looking at 480 here for the credit cards. And let's add up all this lovely stuff right here. Make sure you can see it. So this month I'm not going to be able to save as much towards the sinking fund because I do have all these bills coming out. Right now this is looking at $1,549.31, and that's if my math is right, so let me double check. So that looks right. So let's get this totaled up to see what I am planning on spending my hard-earned cash on. So 1549.31 plus 480 plus 800. $2,829.31. Yay! All right, let's go to the income. Now my income plus what I get paid by my niece for the mortgage is $32,0202. Now this month, since it's, what is it, July? We get paid a clothing allowance at work because we have to wear a uniform and they pay us for it. It's like $450, but then they tax the crap out of it. Most taxed nation ever. So $450 times, I don't know, 30% minus $450. What is that? Try that again. So $450 times 30% equals $135. So $135 minus from the $450, it's going to equal $315. So I'm guesstimating about $315 is going to get deposited in my account sometime in July. It's not always, it should be in the first paycheck that I get, but it doesn't usually happen. It usually happens more at the end of the month. So there's that. And that will give us $35,1702 for the month. So that's what my expected income is for the month of July. Let's talk sinking funds. $5.94 book to grab in the colored box. Put here. My sinking fund. The goal is to have this tub be at 4,100. I've got this from Planner Bliss. And it's this sheet full of, like, I don't know, chores. I use it for my Fly Lady stuff. And I'm gonna put this on my little piggy. Where I'll put you at? Put it up here. Really hard to see. There. So that's about my sink. Then for my tub. Alright, so right now, I don't know why I took that off there. $35,1702 is what I expect to make, minus 2829.31. Leaves me $687, which is the goal to put towards savings. So I'm going to put this down here as a goal. Goal this month is $687.71, and that should be what I have left over for the actual, or after actual is taken out, if everything goes according to plan. If. Okay. So there is what my budget looks like for the month of July. If you would like to see how I did in June, that video is going to be coming up next. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post my June budget review, so you can catch up and see how I did last month. Alright, thanks so much for watching. See you later. Bye!